Alright, today I'm going to construct a frequency distribution. I've got a set of data here. Here's all my data numbers. And the first thing, to help simplify the whole process, let's take all these numbers and put them in order. So that's what I've done here. I've put them in order from least to greatest. Okay, that helps tremendously when you go to putting your numbers in the classes. Now, I think from where this problem is, there's like a little button over here to the side you can click, and you can put this on Excel. And once you put these numbers on Excel, you can have them sort the numbers for you, which makes it a ton easier. But you need these numbers in order. Now, so we're going to make a frequency distribution. And first we need to figure out how many classes we want, and I think the problem tells us to have 6 classes. We want 6 classes. Alright, so we look at our lowest and our highest, and we're going to figure out what our range is. Okay, so my highest is 537, my lowest is 50. I'm going to subtract that, which is going to give me, what, 487? Okay, that's my range. Alright. Now, since I want 6 classes, I do 487 divided by 6, which is going to give me 81 point something. I'm not really sure, but I know it's 81 point something, which means I'm going to have to round it up to 82. So 82 would be my class size. This is my class size, 82. All right, so I take my range, 487, I divide by 6, which is 81 point something, which rounds up to 80. You always round it up no matter what your something is. All right, so 82 is my class size. So I'm going to put right over here, 82 class size. Okay. All right, so my first class is going to start at 50, and if I add 82 to that, I get 132. That's where my next class would start. If I add 82 to that, I'm going to get 214. If I add 82 to that, 296. Add 82 again, 378, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more class. Add 82. That's going to be 10, 1, 460. Okay, and that should be my 6th class. That's the lower limits for each class. Now my upper limit, well, since that's 132, this will be 131. Since it's 214, this would be 213. 296, that's going to be 295. Okay. Oh. And these should go up by 82, so I can just add 82 to them. But 377. This would be 459, and then if I add 82 to that, I'm going to get 11, 1, 6, 14, 541. And so there's my classes right there. Okay, so now my frequency. Well, 50 to 131, 50 to 131 would have all these numbers right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 of those. Much easier than hunting and pecking through here and finding them all. I can go ahead and do all the frequencies. 132 to 213. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of those. 214 to 295. So that's going to go from here. That's it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. 296 to 377. Right there, 4 of those. And then 378 to 459, there's 2 of those. And then in this group right here, there's 3 of those remaining. There's my frequencies. Okay. Now, my midpoint. For my midpoint, I'm going to take this right here, 50 plus 131. I'm going to add them together. Okay. And then I'm going to divide by 2. It's 90.5. So my midpoint here is 90.5. My midpoint on this one, 132 plus 213, add them together, divide by 2, 172.5. And what you'll notice here, I'm adding 82 to this. See, 82 is my class size, so I'm just adding 82. So I can just take that one right there, add 82. There's my next midpoint. And I can add 82 again. And there's my next midpoint. Add 82. Add 82. Okay. Now my relative frequency. Now relative frequency is like in this class right here. In this class there's 6. Okay, all together there's, let's see, let's add these up right here. 6 plus 8 is 14, plus 6 is 20, 24, 26, 29. There's 29 total. That's the sum of all these here. All right. So out of 29, there's 6 in this class. So all I do is a little division there. 6 divided by 29. Okay, which is 0.2068. I think we ran this 3 places, I believe. So it's going to be 0.207. So this is 0.207. Okay. Let me double check that. Yeah, we ran them 3 places. All right. In this class, well, look down here, this is 6, so that's going to be 0.207 also. Now this one has 8. So that's 8 divided by 29, which is 0.276. The 8 makes the 5 go to 6, so 0.276. Okay. This one has 4, so I do 4 divided by 29. Which is 138.138. See, again, this 9 makes the 7 go up to an 8. This one has 2 in a class, so I do 2 divided by 29. 2 divided by 29, which is 069. And then I have 3 in this class, so 3 divided by 29. And that's 0.103. All right, and there's all my relative frequencies. And then the last thing is my cumulative frequency. And what that is, the frequency for up to that certain class. Like in this class, there's 6 so far. Once I go down to this class, now there's 6 plus 8 more, which is 14. And then I go this class, 14 plus 6 would be 20. And then 20 plus 4 is 24. Then 24 plus 2 is 26. And 26 plus 3 is 29. And this last number here should be your sum, right here, 29. Okay, and there you go. That's a frequency distribution right there. All right, so that's how you construct a frequency distribution. If you have any questions or need help, just let me know.